how to redeem a CapCut Pro code. So if you want to redeem a CapCut Pro code, you can unlock all of your premium features instantly. So let's begin. Now, first thing you need to do is log in using your credentials. If this is your first time using CapCut, I want you to create an account using all these options. You can continue with your Google, TikTok, Facebook, or even your CapCut mobile. Or you can also enter your email, provide the information needed, and click the continue button. Now, once you're logged in, there are two ways for you to be able to redeem a CapCut Pro code. Number one option is opening the CapCut application on your device. So first, you need to open up your CapCut application, which will open a new window. If you do, I want you to click on the Join Pro option, which will be in the top left, because this will apply all the discounts and codes. If you have that feature right here, you can just simply hover below. If that feature is not available on your app interface, then it's okay because there is another option. What you can do is just simply go back and log in to your web browser. So go with continue with Google and then go and log into your account, or you can also enter your credentials and log in. After that, you can just simply go with the profile icon, which will be in the top right, and you will see an option of a redeem code. You need to click on redeem code. If you click on it, it will take you to the redeem code section where you need to provide the redemption code. For example, we are going to be using an example code right here. So after entering your redemption code, you can go with redeem. Remember to read all the redemption terms and conditions. And once you finalize that, you need to click on redeem button. And basically, that's how you can redeem a CapCut Pro code. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.